Welcome to my channel How-to-fy-Simplified. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. For this fertilizer you need banana peels, tea and instant coffee packet. It can be brew instant or you can use the sunrise instant or any instant coffee of your wish. These are the three ingredients needed. You have to cut the banana peels very small into very small pieces. This is a very important step. It's very important to cut it into as small as possible so that when you are boiling the banana peels, more nutrients get absorbed into the or diffused into the water. This makes the fertilizer more effective and strong. Please take your time to cut it as small as possible. I have done my best here. You can see how small I have cut them. You can cut even smaller pieces. And take the big bowl full of water, a boiling pot full of water, and make the water to boil. Keep the stove in maximum until the water starts boiling. Now you can collect all the banana peels and drop it into the water once the water starts boiling. Then swirl it around so that it mixes into the water well. Now you can add the tea powder. It can be used tea powder as well, not the fresh one. I am using fresh because I need more thick fertilizer, but you can use the used tea powder as well. It will also be useful. Now bring it to a boil. Now you are seeing that it's boiling well. Now you can bring it to simmer and you can add the instant coffee powder at this moment. You can simmer the stove so that the boiling is slowly stopping. Once it comes to a boil, that's sufficient for this purpose. Then you can simmer the stove and leave it for some time. Now you can switch off the stove and keep it aside for 8 hours. You have to keep it for 8 hours overnight. Okay. Now I have brought a big similar kind of pan for straining the fertilizer. You cannot use the fertilizer along with the peels. It will cause decaying of the banana peels and you can strain the liquid in full like this. What I am doing, just drop all the banana peels along with the banana peels and the tea and coffee mixture. Then you have to, main step is to just crush the banana peels as much as possible to drain all the important nutrients and liquid from the peels. This will be additional to the already strained one, so this gives more strength to the fertilizer. Do not waste any bit of nutrients. Now we have the fertilizer ready. Now I am here at my garden, the lush green garden that I have in my backyard. You can see that the entire garden has been grown using this fertilizer mix mostly. So you can see the lush green hibiscus leaves. It's mainly useful for the flowering plants, okay, hibiscus plants, rose plants and things. This is a drumstick tree that I have recently bought. Now I am applying the fertilizer to the plants. Just mix it before applying application so that it will be more even all around the fertilizer. So drop 2 coconut shell full of nutrients for each of the covers, grow bags. It's sufficient. You just need to ensure you pour the optimum amount and not much. If you pour more, then it becomes waste. Drop down through the under part of the grow bag or the pot. Okay. You can even apply it on land grown plants. Okay, so that is also, you can see some of the flowers in my garden that I have grown using this. You can enjoy the flowers in my garden. You can see the hibiscus, how lush it is, and the other flowers that have blossomed in our garden due to this fertilizer. My garden was a bit dry in early on, and I got some updates from my friends and nursery people for this fertilizer, so I am sharing it with you happily. I am sure your garden also will bloom similar to this. You can see the size of the flowers, it's very huge and big due to this strength it gets from the fertilizer. See you again with some useful video in my channel again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.